In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on a second-generation Toyota Estima quickly and easily. The first step is to open the hood. Once the hood is open, you'll find two bolts located at the top of the bumper. Remove both of these bolts first, as they secure the upper part of the bumper to the vehicle. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet will make this job much easier and faster. After that, move to the side sections. There is one bolt on each side that also needs to be removed. Remove the fasteners and clips located inside the wheel arch liners. Do this on both sides of the vehicle. These clips help secure the bumper to the fenders, so they need to come out before the bumper can be removed. Don't forget to check the lower part of the bumper as well. Underneath the vehicle, you'll find additional clips and fasteners securing the lower section. Remove all of them before proceeding. If your Toyota Estima is equipped with fog lights, disconnect the fog light wiring before pulling the bumper away from the vehicle. Once everything has been removed, carefully pull the bumper forward. The bumper is held in place by side guides and mounting rails, so a gentle pull is usually enough to release it from both sides. And that's it! The front bumper is now completely removed. I hope this quick guide was helpful. If it saved you time or helped with your repair, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.